If you want to keep your pergola posts from getting wrecked by your lawnmower or weed trimmer, you gotta set up some solid protective barriers around them. So, first thing, make sure you're using something sturdy but easy to spot, like those bright plastic guards or even a piece of scrap wood wrapped around the post. You want to create a little buffer zone so the mower doesn't get too close. Another trick is to plant some thick shrubs or flowers around the base to act as a natural shield. When you're mowing, slow down when you get near the posts, and don't try to get too close with the blades. That's how accidents happen. If you're using a weed trimmer, keep the line away from the wood so it doesn't chip or scratch. Also, check your equipment for any loose parts that could fly off and damage the posts. Regularly inspect your pergola posts for dents or scratches, and touch them up with some exterior wood, paint, or sealant to keep them looking fresh. Finally, consider adding metal post protectors. They're like armor for your pergola and super effective. One of the biggest issues with pergola post damage from lawn equipment is not having any barrier at all, which lets mowers and trimmers bash right into the wood, causing chips and cracks. Fix this by adding clear protective guards or planting tough bushes. Another common mistake is rushing through mowing without paying attention near the posts. Slowing down and being careful can save you a lot of repair headaches. Lastly, many folks forget to maintain their tools properly, so loose debris or faulty blades end up hitting the pergola. Keeping your equipment in good shape helps avoid accidental damage. BigHomeProjects.com makes it way easier for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who can help protect and repair your pergola posts or tackle other home projects. Plus, it's a great way for contractors to connect with people looking for reliable work, making things simple for everyone involved.